Alright, we're back again. I had to file the burr off I put on trying to pull the pliers, which I knew was going to do that, but oh well. It's out now. Okay, now let's see if this will go together. You do not want to go over that nice snug fit of a shaft. There we go. It's not a gasket, it's not where it wants to be. He's fighting you. Oh, that's why. Over that one there. Gravity is not helping me right now. It's always best to not fight Mother Nature, but oh well. It is what it is. Okay, a couple screws. Here to hold the gasket in there. There we go. Okay. This screw already locked the cover up a little bit. And I think we're going over the ends of the two shafts and there's a circuit breaker and idler right now. This way nothing wants to go. A light tap on. Get these screws in here before the gasket drops down over the holes where you won't be able to get them in there. Okay. Zero movement, so it is what it is. That's why I left the pinion shaft bushing tight so it'll be a zero fit. So the only alignment I got for the cover is the pinion shaft, these two shafts, and these screws. So we have to get it to stay aligned so we can do our machining on the dowel pins and all that stuff. Which will be the next thing I got to deal with. Okay. Okay, that's all pulled in. Crank is nice and tight. It's even all the way around. It's tight. Okay. So now for the fun part. I have to get this right case off with all this stuff being tight. That's going to be fun. That's pretty tight. Made no difference at all, which is good, because If the case split apart or did something like this, that means the crank's not true or there's a misalignment someplace. Being just tight and even all the way around means it's pretty straight and true, which is good. That's what you actually want to see. When you're doing weird crop like this, you're looking for everything, for anything that's in error. If you have an error, then that means there's a problem machining. That's why I did what I did to do that, reaming that hole as tight as I could. Okay, that one does not want to come out that way. Comes out that way though. Okay, this one here. Same problem. Weird. Well, let's come out one way, let's pull out one way. Okay, everything is apart. Now, how am I going to do this? Kind of a two-man job. Someone's got to hold the case up and rotate the crank and try to get everything to separate. That's going to be hard to do. And I'm by myself, so we just have to deal with it. Get these rollers to come out. See how the cage fell out? So now all the rollers should start coming out as I rotate it. And when all that comes out, it should be a little bit easier to get it out, maybe. Don't know. Might make it worse. All I know is right now it ain't coming. So relieve some of the pressure, it might be easier. I don't know. We'll see. Here comes the rollers. Okay, rollers are out as far as they're going to go. The whole cage assembly just slid over, so that's good. Now, if I had some kind of a puller, pull it off, but I don't have that, so they don't make pullers for these early motors. Let's see what we got here. I know the left side will come off easy, but I'm trying to get the right side out. Too hard. Pull left off. We'll get rid of half the problem. I heard a roller hit the floor. Yep, there it is. One roller. A couple are missing though. There's one. Still missing one. One went someplace. There it is. Okay, that's good to go. Alright, now we can get this out of here somehow. The best way of doing that is gravity. It's always the best. There you go. Losing everything. Another one to the floor. of my marbles. Look like rollers. Okay, and where'd the other two go? All right, all back together. That's all where it belongs. And that's all back together. All right. Easy. A little oil in the way. Clean up your mess.